Cloves for bad breath and toothache. Clove has been considered a precious treasure since time immemorial. Cloves contain 15 to 20% essence or active ingredient made up of eugenol, acetyleugenol, cariophilene, and metylamilcetone. This essence gives clove the following properties. 1. As a disinfectant, clove has antimicrobial properties. That is, it has biological activities such as antibacterial, antifungal, insecticidal, and antioxidant properties. 2. An analgesic, eugenol, a major essence in clove, acts as a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory. These two major properties of clove make it a preferable remedy for conditions associated with the mouth, such as toothache, stomatitis, that's inflammation of the mouth mucous membrane, gingivitis, that's gum inflammation, and bad breath. How to apply cloves? For toothaches, apply a piece of clove or a drop of clove essence to the aching tooth. In cases of stomatitis or gingivitis, rinse your mouth with a glass of water containing some drops of clove essence. Do the same thing for bad breath in addition to gaggling. In any of these applications, cloves refresh and disinfect the mouth and help numb and ease pain. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet for subsequent videos.